everyone, my name is Courtney, the face behind Creative on the Cheap. If you love all things budget-friendly home decor, DIYs, Cricut tutorials, hacks, and so much more, I would love to have you join me on social media. Today we will be creating a home decor piece using supplies from the May Expressions Vinyl subscriber box. So out of your box, you're going to start by grabbing some of the Siser EasyWeed black HTV vinyl. You also want to grab the pillow cover. There is a 2-set, but you only need 1. And then you also want to look in that inbox and grab the SVG, the Home Sweet Home design. Now let's get crafty. To get started, let's get our SVG ready. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take a square and make the template of my pillows so that I know how much space I have to work with and kind of placement of where I'm gonna want my decal to go. So here I've got 18 by 18 inches ready to go. Once I grabbed my SVG, I placed it on there, and then I decided to go in and make some few changes to the SVG. I decided to change the text and make the Home Sweet Home different sizes. I also wanted to take the word home and manipulate that O and maybe put a heart. That's the beauty of the SVG. You can take it apart and kind of make it your own, and that is what I'm doing here, is just kind of tweaking it a little bit. Once I got the SVG all set, I was ready to send it to my Cricut machine to get cut out. Now, just remember, when you're working with HTV, you want to make sure that you always select that mirror on setting and that you do place the shiny side down on your mat. And now let's get this Siser EasyWeed all weeded out. It's totally easy to get this part done. I just love how easy it is to do this. Once my design was all weeded and it was ready to go, I'm ready to get this pressed onto my pillow cover. So the first thing I'm going to do is press my pillow cover so it's nice and warm. The heat setting for this is recommended to be at 305 degrees for about 10 to 15 seconds, and you peel warm. So I'm going to press my pillowcase. Once that's pressed, I will set down my design on top and then press it again. I will make sure to flip it over, press the back, and then this pillow is ready to be assembled, put together, and displayed. And here's the final project. Make sure to tag Expressions Vinyl and at Creative on the Cheap if you make this project. Thanks so much for watching today. Happy crafting.